Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we are heading to the Izu Peninsula to explore its rugged beaches and dramatic coastlines. Our first destination will be the famous Jogasaki Coast. On the second day we will travel to the very tip of the peninsula, Cape Irozaki, and in the evening we will visit Ebisu Island to catch the sunset. On our final day, we will take a short hike to Cape Tarai before wrapping up our journey. So, buckle up and enjoy the trip. We took the Odoriko line to Jogasaki Coast and began hiking along the coastal trail. The trail was full of surprises. Surrounded by small patches of jungle and rugged lava rock formations that gave the coast a unique atmosphere. The water was a stunning shades of emerald blue. The waves rolled in slowly and softly, then crashed with power, a rhythm that felt both relaxing and alive. The weather was perfect and we enjoyed every step of the hike. At the end of the trail, we reached the main highlight, the Jogasaki Suspension Bridge. The view from there was magnificent, a perfect reward for the end of the trail. This was just the beginning, and the next day promised even more adventure. Early in the morning, we left our hotel and took a bus from Shimoda station to Cape Irozaki. As soon as we arrived, the rugged coastline took our breath away. It was wild, raw, and unbelievably beautiful. The wind was strong, carrying the fresh, salty scent of the sea. It reminded me of my childhood days growing up near the beach. A gentle wave of nostalgia I didn't expect. From the tip of the cape, I saw a small group of fish shimmering just below the surface, their movements highlighted by the deep blue sea. The contrast between the rough cliffs and the clear, vibrant sea made the whole view feel almost unreal. The power and beauty of Japan's coastline truly amazed me. Next, we decided to take a boat ride to see the volcanic coastline up close. We walked a few minutes from Cape Irozaki to the pier, and soon we out on the open water. The ride was both adventurous and peaceful. We could see sea mountains in the distance and few sea archers stood gracefully in the middle of the ocean. The sea was calm and blue, and the whole ride felt magical. The volcanic cliffs were breathtaking. Some even looked like faces carved by nature. The boat ride completed our visit to Cape Irozaki and left us with a beautiful memory. In the evening, we headed to Ebisu Island in Shimoda to catch the sunset. The sun was already low when we arrived, and the stone beach glowed under the golden light. The waves rolled in gently and the sunset reflected beautifully on the water. The rock formations of Ebisu Island were fascinatingly shaped by ancient underwater volcanic activity that happened a long time ago. The curving rock walls looked like art, showcasing the beauty of nature's design. It was peaceful and quiet, the perfect place to escape the crowds. My work bestie and I sat there chatting and enjoying the moment as the sky turned orange and pink. And just when we thought the day couldn't get better, we ran into another colleague and her friends by surprise. The laughter, the company, and the sunset made the evening unforgettable. As the sun disappeared, the color lingered. Soft pinks and oranges painted the sky like a watercolor dream. It was the perfect end to our second day. Our final destination was Cape Tarai. The weather was cloudy that day, but it actually matched the mood of the landscape. The mist and low clouds add a quiet, mysterious beauty to the rugged Onohama coast. For a moment, it felt like we were somewhere in Scandinavia rather than Japan. We followed the Onohama coastal trail and continued our short hike to the main viewpoint of Cape Tarai. The viewpoint was beautiful, an open stretch of greenery with distant rugged Onohama coast. We spent some time just relaxing and taking it all in. The best part was lying on grass, listening to the sound of the waves and enjoying the moment. It was the perfect way to slow down and appreciate everything we had experienced on this trip. Before leaving, we wandered around, took a few photos, and soaked up the view. It was a calm and meaningful way to end our journey. So this is the end of the video, and I truly appreciate you watching all the way through. Thank you very much, and see you next time.